Hey Ashley, so a question we've got, we are a lot of things as far as in-house. We are vertically integrated. You know, the American Welding Society, we're an ATF. With the Ashley CPR First Aid, we're an accredited testing facility. With NCCR, we're also an accredited training facility and an assessment center. But we do some third-party testing. Is that correct?
We want to get you ready for the industry. One of the first things we do, just like the industry, is the Basic Plus safety card.
Yeah. And so we can't do that in-house, not yet. We send our guys to Lexington. Is that where we're going right now?
Yeah, actually go to Louisville. Next town up the road. You'll hear, again, live instructor for 3 to 5 hours, depending on that instructor and their particular curriculum that day. And then you got to throw down on your knowledge and take a quick test.
There you go. So that's one third party. What's another third party exam we give?
The TWIC card.
The TWIC, okay.
TWIC card's going to Lexington right now.
Yeah.
For that, travelers, workers, identification credential issued through TSA, federal background check, fingerprints. Make sure you're not some kind of thug running from the law. Make sure you're a tax-paying American citizen.
And there's a lot of companies, contractors requiring that to get on those jobs, refineries, whatnot, around waterways, border states, etc., that are requiring that TWIC card.
Yeah, down south, around the Gulf, offshore, you got to have TWIC. It takes about 6 weeks for your credentials to come back clean.
6 weeks.
Right.
So if I graduated from another school and found a job requiring TWIC, you said there's not enough time to go ahead and get the TWIC on my own.
No, the outage is over with before you get the card.
Dang. So graduating from KWI, it's awesome because in month 3 we're going to send you to get your TWIC card. We pay for it.
Right.
You got your TWIC card and you're ready to go when you get out.
It's all on KWI's dime, an extra cost that you don't have to pay, that we have to pay.
Yeah, excellent. The last third party exam probably the CCO written exams. So that's the National Commission for Crane Certification Operators. We give both the rigger and the signal exams. Mm-hmm. We are practical examiners, but to take those written tests, CCO doesn't even allow us to look at those. So we have to train those students up using the OSHA and ASME standards. But that exam is given by a third party, ACT style, right?
Right.
Little gal comes in with an envelope full of tests and number 2 pencils.
Rips them open.
Everybody checks IDs. They all sit down and they get an hour, complete silence, their time. Put your pencils down, get out of my, and they take those tests up. So third party. So man, that's not something you would need some KWI instruction, I think, to pass an exam like that.
Right, because third party initiated that test examiner is going to come in just like your ACT or your SAT would be. Sure.
Yeah, excellent. So we do some third-party stuff, and we have a pretty good track record. Getting Basic Plus. I don't know. We're probably batting 100% on that as far as guys going because they go after our safety training before they get that Basic Plus. Right. So a lot of that is review. They feel good and confident getting that card, and then with CCR, batting average is dang good as well. So KWI is one of a kind training, and yes, you will take some third party outside of KWI exams in front of practical examiners.